Bitcoin's currently hovering around $76,000, down nearly 2% on the day and 3.5% on the week. So after a strong week last week, we're seeing a slight pullback to start this week off. Traders are staying cautious ahead of tomorrow's Federal Reserve decision. Tomorrow at around 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the Fed will announce its rate decision, followed right after by a speech by Chairman Jerome Powell. And this is easily one of the most important events to watch out for this week. A quick reminder of why this can move the market. If Powell sounds dovish, i.e. he gives hints about future rate cuts, then this is typically bullish for Bitcoin. Interest rates are essentially the price of money. If money's cheaper, then there's more incentive to spend it and less incentive to save it. And eventually it finds its way into risk-on assets like crypto. If he sounds hawkish in his comments, however, i.e. he signals there's a reason to think about raising rates rather than cutting them, then this usually strengthens the dollar and puts pressure on prices. Traders are already doing what they usually do before these meetings. They're reducing risks and taking some profits off the table. That's why we often see this pre-meeting sell-off lower, especially after the strong week last week. So the language that Powell uses tomorrow will be more important than the actual rate number itself. So drop your predictions in the comments below. Are you expecting dovish or hawkish comments? Remember that whatever happens, if you have an automated strategy in place, you can be covered for all eventualities. Stay safe out there, happy trading, and we'll catch up later in the week.